Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to start one new series of Java 17, which is the most important topic for any interview related or any Java development related coding. So probably, like if you are going to for any interviews, like for any service-based MNC interviews or any product-based MNC interviews, so definitely some questions are getting encountered related to Java 17 new features. And these features also widely getting used while we develop any project or any application in any of the companies, guys. Also, if you are developing your any your own project, then also these features are widely getting used. So basically, I will start the what are the most important features in Java 17, and some features I will go in depth with the proper example, and gradually into coming next videos. So I will explain all the what are the core features of Java 17 are getting used in are introduced in Java 17, guys. So, meantime, if you guys like today, I will discuss only one or two features in depth, majorly. But if you have any suggestion or any feedback for further features, so please like share your feedbacks and suggestion. Definitely, I will provide you videos regarding that and proper details about those topics, guys. So let's starting to the core topic of Java 17, guys. So here so this is the first video of Java 17, guys. So far I have covered some of the Java 8 and core Java concept, but now I will be covering Java 17 concepts. So this is the first very frequently asked interview question if you are going for any interview, guys. So, what are the new features of Java 17? What are the new features added in Java 17? So, usually see Java 17 was released into September 2021, guys. In 2021 it was released, but it is widely used new features, and these are the very frequently asked interview questions about Java 17 features. So, here are the some few features I have mentioned. So Java 17 is an LTS version. LTS means guys long-term support. There are usually two types of Java versions. Usually one is LTS, long-term support, and LTS means long-term support. It will go more than 5 years support, 5 year, 10 year like this. And STS is short-term support, which only supports for like 6 months or 1 year like this. They are the short-term support, guys. So LTS is the long-term support, Java 17. It will receive extended long-term support and is popular choice for the production environment. So developing in production environment it is the popular choice. So like that, if we are not taking any LTS version for production version for production development, so at that time we have to change very frequently the JDK version. So it will be a great problem. That's why they divided into two versions like LTS and STS version, guys. So usually whenever any product development happening or any project development happening, they used to select LTS version only, like long-term support version only, which will be more efficient, it will be not required to change very frequently, guys. So here are the main features of Java 17, guys. So first feature was new record class stable in Java 16. Usually record was introduced in Java I think 14, 15, and mainly stable in Java 16. But they have added some enhanced feature into record in Java 17. And second is sealed classes. Sealed classes are also very important, guys. Sealed classes are mainly for securing any class. Like we can restrict any class so that that class can implement or extend only specific classes what we will provide. They cannot, as per the earlier like normal classes, we can extend or implement any interface. But if we will shield any class, then in that case it will not be extendable by any other subclasses or any like it cannot extend any class which are not introduced in the shield class. Like pattern matching, also like pattern matching, they have introduced string matching into switch and switch cases, and they have improved the switch cases into using pattern matching, and they have given enhanced switch statements. So in switch statement, they have improved the syntax and new Mac OS rendering pipeline. They have added new feature in Java 17, guys. This I will discuss into the like explaining in detail. Six feature is foreign function memory API. So they have introduced foreign function into like JVM memory, guys, and strong encapsulation of JDK internals. JDK internals, strong encapsulation they have introduced, and they have introduced deprecate and remove RMI activation system. So RMI activation, sorry, they have removed this RMI activation system, guys. And ninth is the restore always restrict floating point semantics. Restore always strict floating point semantics. So they have restricted some restoring feature on the floating points, guys. And context specific deserialization filter they have introduced in Java 17, and they have introduced removal of experimental AOT like ahead of time and JIT compiler. So they are doing some experimental on AOT and JIT compiler, guys. And they are the deprecation features like which are getting removed like applet API security manager to be removed in the future version. So these are the core features they have given in Java 17. So whenever in interview panel, if ask any question, so probably we discuss mention some important feature only like records we can discuss sealed pattern matching switch statement. So all like some features we can mention and we can uh, explain in some brief, guys. Also, if they want some coding and all those, so we can explain in detail with the code example. So suppose the first feature I'm starting first feature. So let's what is the records in Java 17. It is very useful, guys. Records feature, and it is very like very frequently it is used now in new coding pattern, Java coding pattern. Also, like it reduce lot of boilerplate code. Earlier, what we use is in Pojo classes. So that will be removed using regard. It will be very simplified code. So I will explain with the example with proper code in IntelliJ also, guys. So new record class. Record is this is some kind of class, guys. This is record a new kind of class usually they have introduced. Usually we were declaring using class only class, but now we will declare with record that class. That will be known as a record class. So what is record in Java? Okay. So what is record in Java, guys? A record is a special type of class introduced in Java 14 preview and made stable in Java 16 plus, including in Java 17. See, so record usually it was introduced in Java 14, but it made stable in Java 16 and also included in Java 17, guys. what is the use is this? It is concise way to create immutable data carriers without writing boilerplate code in POJO classes. Like so earlier in POJO classes, we used to write the getter, setter, and constructor, all those, but those things no required. Just we will declare the class, record class, and it will automatically like inbuilt all the getter, setters, and equal hash code, all those. See here, or like constructor, getters, equals hash code, and twist. Twist thing also we don't need to write directly. We can get the data using twist thing, guys. So this is that's why it is very useful in Java 17, guys. So here I have given some example of record declaration. I will show you, see, and I will show you this logic in IntelliJ, guys. Okay, here I have given sealed example also, but sorry. Okay, so here this is the example of like a record, how to declare record and how to access the record fields or values from record type of class. See here, this is very simple syntax, guys. Very simple syntax for this is a full complete POJO class, guys. We can say no need to declare more variables, no need to declare constructors, no need to declare getter setter, no need to declare toString. All thing it will be having using just this keyword. See how efficient they have made, in short form they have made this. So let's going to IntelliJ. I will show you by executing this code, this some piece of codes, guys. Okay. So here I have introduced I have declared this record. See, first here it is a class. Here a record example I am giving. So record example class. Here in this I am using this record. I'm using this person record. Here I am declaring record person. Person means any person will have name, age. So this is the like a POJO class. Like earlier we declare employee POJO class or person POJO class. It will have like person name, email, age, everything. But here just we will define a record and just we will give in these parameters and like string name and int age, whatever we can give, email, whatever we need, mobile number we can give here, and just we will open and close braces, guys. This like this also we can write. So this is, see, this is now a class signature itself, but here we are giving with the parameters, with the uh, with the class declaration itself, with the record declaration itself, we will give the parameter of in the fields, whatever the fields required. See, record just in single line class, we can say it is, guys. This is a single line POJO class. So when we write this record keyword, we have to use mandatory record person. So automatically in it will create internally this person constructor and getter setters and this fields, and also it will create the toString method hash code and equal method also, guys, in just single line. See how like concisely they have written. So after declaring this record, see, record is a class. Sometimes we can declare within the same, see, it is in the same package, and sometimes we can declare anywhere in the application and we can access that, import that. So we are declaring here. Now we are using in this class. This is the main class, like public class record example. I have taken a main method, the public static void main, and now I am executing this. See, here I am creating a record object. See, this is the person record I have declared, but here I am creating the object as we were creating earlier, like Pujo classes object. So person equal to new person, and here we are assigning the values or fields. Name I am giving any like John Doe then 30. any name we can give. Okay, so I am assigning name and age 30. Okay, suppose here I am just giving simple name Amit. Okay, age 30. And here see accessing the fields using accessor method. So, but be careful here we are accessing person dot name. We are not using get name. Directly it will be called person dot name using records we can get. Person dot age directly because record is already defined internally the getter and setters. And see here now here this is the like mm, this is the very important line guys. While we are directly printing this object person here, usually we will not override the toString method, so it will just print the some hash code value. But here we are not like writing toString method, but internally automatically it will add the toString method. So will directly we will print person. So it will print the actual object data, guys. It will not print the hash code. So let's running this code, this piece of code, then we will see the what is the output of this application. Okay, see here. I'm like I have printed name, person name and age. See name Amit, age 30, and here I'm printing the person object. See person object directly it is printing all the data from the object without like using toString method. It is already like it is using built-in toString method using record guys. So only this keyword is very important record guys while we use declaring any record. See how simple and concise code, guys. So this is the feature of records, uh, which is very frequently used now in like application development, any Java project development. Now I am seeing another example of record. Suppose we have nested record example. Earlier, what we were having. Suppose this is a person. Okay. Suppose I'm taking one Pojo class, guys. Suppose employee I have declared somewhere. I will see where it is. Employee is there, right? Sometimes employee here we are declaring all the fields. Sometimes suppose employee will take another Pojo class. Suppose address. Okay. So it will have another Pojo class address. Suppose we can say private address address. Okay. So what is this? This is a address class. This is called nested. Uh, like this is called nested like fields. Okay, nested variables. So this is like also this is called the reference variable. So so in this records type, it is called nested records, guys. See, I'm giving the example. So how this kind of scenario we will handle using nested record, guys. So here this is the nested record class. I have taken a nested record example. Here I have taken see two records I have taken. One is address, record address. Here I am providing a string city, string pin code, and another record I am taking record customer, string name and address. This address I am taking this record into this record customer. So it is happening nested records. Okay, guys, nested fields. So let's see how this is getting used. So in main class, like public class nested record example. So here, see, I am taking in main method. I am creating object of address. See, address equal to new address. I provided the suppose Mumbai and the pin code. Now I am creating the object of customer. See, when we are creating the object of customer, customer having the nested like field of address. So we are giving like customer name and address. This address object directly we are passing here. This address object while creating the customer object. Now using the customer object, we can get any like address related field. Suppose we want to know the customer city, customer pin code. Through address related field, we can directly get now. So here how see it is printing. So here see I am printing system.out.println customer. So it will give the customer the card and I am again printing the city. Suppose the city of the customer. So how it will be fetched? Customer.address.city guys. See customer.address.city. Customer is first calling to address. Okay, address, then it is calling city because city is not in direct, if the customer cannot call direct city guys. First he has to get the object of address, then only he can get C. Because city is available into address. That's why the first calling address, then it is calling city. Same here we are printing the pin code. So customer dot address, then it is calling the pin code guys. So this is the logic while we have the nested records and how we can access. So let's we will execute this code, piece of code. How what will be the output? We'll see. See here. So first we have printed this one system.out.println customer object. The customer object is complete printing. See how this is the nested object. First it is having name, then this is printing the nested object, guys. Address. Address like complete detail. Address equal to address object city Mumbai pin code 40001. Okay. Like this, below I am getting this. Suppose this detail we want customer city and customer pin code. So we are printing this customer city Mumbai and customer pin code 40001 guys. So this was the logic for today's topic, guys. Like how we use records in Java 17 feature. This is very important feature, guys. We must know. And see, this record we can also declare anywhere, guys. Suppose here I'm removing from here. If I declare after this class also, see, after this class also if we declare, then also it will give the same result. It will not give any error. See, it's giving the same result. This also we should know. We can declare anywhere. We have like a Pojo class, guys. We can say a shortcut of Pojo class. Just declare the record. So this was so guys. I hope all the points are clear. If you have still any doubt in regards, definitely I will come into more detail into further topics and also I will explain more in upcoming videos about Java 17 feature. So if you want any new feature, just please ping me, comment me. If any specific feature you want to discuss more, I will come up with the proper detail, guys, regarding that. So I hope this concept is clear so far. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box and you can ask your doubts as well. So that's all for today's topic, guys. Just please do share, keep do like, share, and subscribe my channel and this keep learning coding and improve your coding skill, guys. So thank you so much watching so far. Have a nice day, guys.